So last class we have discussed some about some action words. Okay. So I think you might have got some idea about action words. And today let us discuss about page number 31. Page number 31. Okay. So today we are discussing about simple present tense. So dear children, simple present tense, whenever we talk about third person, so third person in the sense I and you, and we are talking about others, we are talking about third person. When we are talking about third person in present time, so we use S or ES. We use only for the third person in the simple present tense, in the present tense. Not past tense, not future tense. Okay, for example, if you see that this one, see first person is a I, and if you talk first person plural, we all. Okay, you see singular second person is a singular side you see second person. Okay, you, and you see plural second person you. Same you and you. Okay, so this is first person, this is first. Okay, this is second, and here also first person, plural side first person, and here also second person plural side also you. Same also second person. You see third person. So singular side third person, what are the things will come? He, she, it. And plural side if you think, for he, she, it is the plural form of they. Okay, you see dear children, for this see for example, he, she, it. These are the third person. This three is a third person. This three. Singular, third person singular. When third person singular. So in this he, she, it only we use yes or es in the present time. For example, you see the teacher smiles. The teacher. So you see the teacher is only one singular. Teacher is a singular. The teacher smiles. You see yes. And you see he brushes his teeth at night. You see brush s, es, brush s. He, you see here singular third person. He, she, it. You see here. See he brushes his teeth at night. See yes. Okay, you see he drinks tea at breakfast. I told you before. In the present tense, we use S or ES. Okay, you see, he drinks, and we are not writing here ES. It is a wrong. Here only we are writing drinks. Okay, so he drinks tea at breakfast. And you see, it rains. It rains every afternoon in the rainy season. Every afternoon it rains. Okay? It rains every afternoon in the rainy season. She plays basketball. So she also third person. You see third person. This three is a complete third. This one third person. Okay, you see first, second, third. You see, this one also, here also you see first, second, and here also you see here they. See third. Is a plural form. See they. And you see she plays basketball. She plays yes. He goes to football every day. Goes. So yes. You see, yes. Goes. If you talk about only present tense, you see, he go to football every day. No. Goes. So we are adding es. So he goes to football every day. Dear children, we have some other examples. Does she go to school? You see some example. See, does she go to school? Does she go to school? Question mark. Does she go to school? Does she go to school? You see, why we are using do, did, the. You see, present tense. You see, present tense and past tense, past participle, and you see yes, she does. Present simple present tense. You see. Does she go to school? So this is asking for the question. Yes, you see, yes. She go. What will come here? For example, you see go, present tense, go, goes. Yes, she goes to school. Yes, she goes to school. You see, very simple. So the third person singular we use yes. Fraction. And some more examples you see. Okay. My son lives in London. You see, my son lives in London. My son lives. My son lives in London. So, dear children, if you talk about see, my son is only for singular man. Singular man. See, only one son. My son lives in singular. So here es is coming because of the here is the only one person. So we are talking about simple present tense. The main thing is we are talking about simple present tense. Whenever we speak in simple present tense about third person, es will come or es will come. Okay, this is the main topic we should remember. Simple present tense, yes or es. For asking question also, you see, does she go to school? Yes, she goes to school every day. Does she play cricket? Yes, she plays cricket. Does he ride a bicycle? Yes, he rides a bicycle. He rides a bicycle. Okay, like this. Okay, you see some example. These are the example, dear children. And if you see the book also. So third person, only this person, he, she, it. He, she, it only, it comes only yes. No, we, no yes. You, no yes. Yes, no, yes, no. You also, yes, no, yes, no. Okay. Okay, see? Here also, here you also, no yes or no yes. Only simple present tense, he, she, it. He, she, it, no other things. No they, no I, no we, no you. Only we use in the simple present tense, we use only for the he, she, it. We use I or it. This is the we should remember, dear children. You can watch the video nicely, you will understand. You see how in the book also they have given road plays. Okay, road and Raju play. You see why they did not give road and Raju. Road and Raju. Both are there. They. Road and Raju. No, they are both. Road and Raju both. You see road and Raj. Raj play. You see road and Raj. Road and here you see and road and Raj. So that means they place no. See where will come? For example, if you write this so their place will come. No, only play they have given. So they play cricket. They play cricket. So this is the they play cricket. Here it is no is or nothing, no are. Only they play cricket. They plays no. They are playing cricket no. Okay. Here also you see. Ron goes to school every day. Okay. Say for example, how can you ask question? Does Ron goes to school every day? In asking question also you see. Asking question also you see. Asking question also. How can you ask? Does Ron goes to school? Ante. Go to school every day. You see, dear children, you see, does Ron go to school every day? Correct? See, yes, Ron goes. You see, here, go is there, yes, goes. So, asking question we use does. Do or does. For asking the questions, we use do or does. So, does Ron go to school every day? Yes, Ron goes to school every day. You see, it's very clearly. So, does Ron go to school every day? Yes, Ron goes to school every day. So, dear children, I hope this much example is enough. So, please write whatever is there in the book. Okay, you write in the book, and you see, I like dogs. She did not say I like dogs. No, I like dogs. You see, you love cats. You love cats. No, here it is no loves. Okay, you love cats. You love cats. They did not write because of here third person singular only. We use yes or yes. So here it is a second person plural. Okay, we use so you love cats. So dear children, whatever is there in the book, you write it down in your notebook. So everything you write in your book. Thank you so much.